So I've got some news. The day is finally here. CaliToTheCrowd.com is live. Crowd, this channel has been running for the better part of 3 years. I love calisthenics and making these videos. And in that time, the top comment by far has been requests for programs. As you know, I reply to every comment, but the sustainability of giving often very specific programming advice to what is fast becoming a growing community just isn't that feasible. So we've brought out a set of programs designed around what we do here, making calisthenics simple. We're launching with 2 programs, the first of which is Bodyweight Beginner, designed specifically for those of us who are brand new to calisthenics. So if you can't do a pull-up or you can only do a few very dirty dips, this is that program for you to get you to that point where we can start working on those fundamental calisthenics exercises. And then we have our headline program, the one that you guys have been demanding of me for well over 2 years, Couch to Pull-Up. This is a program focused solely on getting you to a point where you're confident in doing pull-ups. A lot of what we talk about here on this channel is about building a broad base of strength using the basics, but of those foundational movements, pull-ups is clearly the one that causes the most issues. So Couch to Pull-Up has been created to help you smash through those plateaus and help you get your pull-ups up. We've been working on these programs and the programs that will soon follow these 2 for months now, and we're so excited for them to drop. So much so that we're even building the site and program content while we're on holiday. But it doesn't stop there, because in a month, we'll be bringing out the programs on the next biggest topic I get asked about, handstands. But I won't drop too many spoilers about that on this video. Crowd, we've built this whole website ourselves. There's no annoying app to download. And to be honest, even if you're not looking to use these programs, it would mean a lot for you to just take a look and let me know what you think. Your feedback really means a lot to me. We've launched with discounted rates that will run until the end of the month, but I did want to take this time to say thank you. Anna and I wouldn't have had the confidence to do this if you hadn't have asked and, frankly, in some cases, demanded this of us. And actually, speaking of Anna, and she'll hate me for saying this, she is literally my rock and the brains behind a lot of what we do here. Not only has she designed every thumbnail on this channel and is key to what has made Cali To The Crowd what it is today, but she filmed all the tutorials for the website, helped design it, and ultimately has allowed me, really, to just do what I love. You guys know I could talk about calisthenics for days. I mean, that's what this basically is. And these programs allow us to take this further. I'm going to wrap it up there, but I'll be back next week with a video that isn't me plugging one of these programs. But crowd, have a good week and I'll see you in the next one.